Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Seville Classics Airlift Height Adjustable Mobile Rolling Laptop Cart, a versatile and ergonomic solution for your home, office, classroom, or even hospital needs. This innovative workstation features a height-adjustable tabletop, allowing you to customize your workspace from 20.5 to 33 inches high, ensuring comfort and productivity with its easy-to-use twist-lock knob. The compact single-piece wood desktop, measuring 23.75 by 15.75 inches, is perfect for accommodating almost any laptop or tablet with a keyboard, all while boasting a sleek black finish with rounded edges for a modern look. Experience the convenience of mobility with its smooth gliding design, thanks to four 1.5-inch caster swivel wheels, two of which lock securely into place, providing a stable and portable workspace wherever you need it. Built with a solid and durable steel frame, this desk is designed for long-term use in professional environments like offices, art and music studios, libraries, and even medical settings such as dentists' and doctors' offices. Assembly is a breeze, with all necessary tools included, making it an ideal desk-style cart for classrooms, homes, and more. Upgrade your workspace today with the Seville Classics Airlift, and enjoy the perfect blend of functionality, style, and mobility. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.